Yan.
Single block lang yan. Ay di, double yan.
Double yan.
Ano yung double? Single yan. Ano nalalaman?
Ito, yun yung double, yung Narya.
Yan yung double oh, double, dalawang diamond.
Isang diamond lang.
Oo, isang diamond lang pala.
Single lang. O, pagka may dalawang gano'n, double block.
Nad, kaya mo sumunod.
Ah,
Yan, tayo nyo ako ha. Sinuride lang.
sige.
Ikaw sumunod.
Saan tayo?
Sige kanina, paanong formation?
Ikaw sumunod. Wala akong break.
Ah, sige.
Sige, go.
Bilis mo yan.
Sige, sumunod ka lang.
Ikaw muna.
Nad, sunod ka kaya na.
Ah, sige. Tapos ikaw?
Ikaw, una ka? Ikaw. Ha? Ikaw una.
Oh. Una ka naman pa
Sunod na.
Ha? Ay. Oo nga, dapat huwag tayo magdikit. Huwag tayo magdikit. Huwag magdikit. Ah. Oh, overshot. Oh, overshot. Ah, teka. Bulaga ako nun ah. Relax. Relax. Kaya yung short ko. Short ko natanggal. Saan tayo? Saan? Ah. No entry man dyan.
Mabanggakan ko yun.
Tanggal yung short ka.
Umubos pa naman ang ano. Doon tayo, doon. Ulat, hintay, ano? Sige doon sa side.
I did think when I had to call in, I was
Hindi lang kamay oh.
Ito pala yung kick-off.
Oo.
Itong yan at saka ano.
yeah. Oh yeah, the thought of if this was a normal.
Oh no?
Kasi palagi tayo nag-break.
Oo.
Ang ginagamit yung bike, dalawa na. Kaya na-try ko na yan dati na nag-kuhan to eh, nag-stiffen to. Ganyan na, nag-spasm eh.
Maubos nga brake pad mo rito.
Ito sa, sa treadboard, wala ganito yung stick.
Wala.
So yung arm pump dito, sa treadboard naman yung arm pump yung chopper eh. Ito yung arm pump dito yung brake.
Cannonball lang medyo mayroon pero hindi naman dyan na yung cannonball doon yung bato.
Akin ha, endurance yung sa... Oh, di naman siya daan.
Dito yun, sabi ko nga, dito kasi tumigil si Jasper kanina. Kaya sabi ko, ito yung sanga naman.
Bilis ni Jasper oh.
Oh, di ba Jasper, dyan ka rin tumigil kanina? Sige, ikaw. Hindi mo natandaan.
So just the bladder is horizontal. So I've got like, well, I'll let you know. I've got a few things. So one is an actual hip pack You find when you go over jumping set, it really kind of flicks
Per, tubig ka
without
pa?
like the shoulder strap
Tubig
to
ka pa
kind
dyan?
of give it
Ano to?
a bit more rigidity.
Yeah, okay.
Power,
So just
power
the
rate?
it just kind of like folds up.
Yeah.
Minutes sa lahat.
Ton, sit ka pang konti, ton.
I don't know
Okay na,
how
okay na,
much
okay na,
it is.
okay na, mamaya.
Power rate to.
Hey, 15 minutes pa pala.
But just
Ah.
the weight transfer from the core
Oh.
to the bladder.
Kay Ronald?
It's not very pleasant.
Power rate to.
Likat lang yan.
Para ba rin,
I've
bay?
got a
Power
camera
rate to.
back. There's a
Ah,
regular
ilan po ko?
backpack.
Oh,
Horizontal bladder.
Alright.
And that's what the Henty ones are. The horizontal with just the netting.
Dito lang kami sa King Cobra.
It's not like you got a lot on your back.
May optional naman kung ayaw niyo dito sa Kun Cobra, Marriott
With
kayo.
the shoulder.
I was also thinking of even
Teka lang.
something like something like
Ton, saan ka?
the hip pack without the bladder. And I'll just take the bottle on the bike. Because my e-bike I can have a bottle.
Well,
Yan na naman
And
na.
then just something for like a tube,
Hindi ma...
so I've got that frame bag.
Mo na yung gagyan, bay?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Okay naman.
Dili
Pag
lang.
nasa taas ka, okay lang yan.
Kailan
I should just like tape my stuff to the bloody frame.
Okay lang ba?
Depends on how muddy it is where you ride.
Ha?
Galing doon, bay?
Buhay?
Dito gikan, bay?
Buhay?
Basta wag mo lang hihipuin yung screen.
Anong camera yan?
It is hard to find
Insta Ace Pro.
that's the right size.
Insta 360 Ace Pro. Yung latest ng Insta. Tara?
Para makabigay.
Naka-record ba, bay?
Di pa, boy.
Sino gusto? Pangatlo ako.
Hawakan yung screen, ha?
Hindi ko
Ha?
maabot si ano.